Our next topic is Faraday's law of electrolysis. That is the Faraday law of electrolysis. What is Faraday's law of electrolysis? Actually, it is the relationship between the quantity of charge passed through an electrolyte and the amount of substance deposited. Means, if suppose we electrolyze, I am explaining here, if the process of electrolysis is take place, okay, and if we pass the electricity in the electrode, so it is a direct relationship between the amount of electricity passed through the electrode and the amount of electrolyte deposited on the electrode. So this is the relation Faraday tells about that through the Faraday law of electrolysis. Now, what is the first Faraday first law? We say the amount of substance liberated or deposited on any electrode is directly proportional to the quantity of charge passed through the electrolytic solution. हम इसके अंदर हम जितना इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास करेंगे तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल होगा जो मास यहाँ पे डिपॉजिट होगा किसी भी इलेक्ट्रोलाइट का. दैट मीन्स W डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द Q. W डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू Q. Q means charge. Now, if we remove the proportional, that is equal to W is equal to ZQ and Q is equal to IT. Current into time. So, we can write it like that. W is equal to ZIT, where Z is equal to where Z is the electrochemical equivalent. Where Z is equal to the electrochemical equivalent, and it is defined as the amount of substance liberated or deposited when 1 ampere current passed through an electrolyte solution for 1 second. How Z is defining is that अगर हम इस इलेक्ट्रोड पे 1 एम्पियर का 1 एम्पियर का करंट 1 एम्पियर का करंट 1 सेकेंड के लिए पास करें तो क्या होगा, जो इस पे अमाउंट जो डिपॉजिट होगा उस जो अमाउंट को हम क्या बोलेंगे, Z बोलेंगे. सो इट इज कॉल्ड Z एंड इट इज इक्वल टू Z इज इक्वल टू दी E upon F, where E is equal to the equivalent weight and F is the charge on 1 mole of electron. So we can say that number of gram equivalent oxidize or reduce. If I go to the W is equal to ZIT, W is equal to E by F into I into T, and if I'm bring this E there, then W is by E is equal to I into T divided by F. So W by E is equal to the weight upon equivalent weight, means number of gram equivalent. So number of gram equivalent oxidize or reduce is equal to I into T by 96500. 96500 means 1 Faraday. 1 F is equal to 96500. Okay, now I am telling you what is Z actually, या व्हाट इज दिस प्रोसीजर, जो सच में क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे, उसको मैं आपको अभी इसके यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ. बच्चों ध्यान से देखना. सपोज करो हाँ कोई इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस करते हैं, ठीक है. अब इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस में मैं सपोज करता हूँ कि यहाँ पे ना कॉपर +2 है, कॉपर +2. Copper plus 2 means if suppose I am giving this atom, this ion 2 electron, then it will go through the Cu atom. So one atom of copper will deposit if we give the 2 electron. But in case of Ag positive, if I am giving the 1 electron, then 1 atom of Ag will deposit it. And if I am passing here 2 electron, means both 2 electron will reduce the 2 Ag positive ion, and then 2 Ag positive will form. Here I have passed same amount of charge, but 1 atom of copper deposited and 2 atom of Ag deposited. So to make equal that in the both equation I pass the same current, but the mass is deposited different. So to make to equalize both, so we use the term Z. We use the term Z, and Z is equal to equivalent weight and Faraday. Now I will tell you the Faraday. What is Faraday? 1 Faraday means 1 Faraday means charge on 1 mole of electron. Charge on 1 mole of इलेक्ट्रॉन. जैसे ये 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन है, अगर सपोज करो ये 1 मोल होता है and this is the 1 mole, so I have to give him the 2 mole of electron, means 2 mole of electron means 2 Faraday. Here also giving I am 2 Faraday, and here also I am giving the 2 Faraday, but here Cu is deposited 1 mole and here is it 2 mole. 1 mole means कॉपर का एटॉमिक वेट जो होता है वो 63.5 होता है, दैट मीन्स 63.5 ग्राम इज डिपॉजिटेड हियर, एंड हियर इट्स 108 into 2 means 216 gram is deposited. So in both case I pass the same electricity, but here this much gram of copper is obtained and here 216 gram of Ag is obtained. So to equalize them we use the factor Z. Z is equal to equivalent weight by 1 Faraday means 1 mole of electron. So this is the concept behind this E. Hope you understand the first law of Faraday. Now one question is there. A solution of CuSO4 is electrolyzed for 10 minutes. Means suppose this is the solution of CuSO4, Cu plus 2 and SO4 minus 2, and we are electrolyzing it for T has given, that is 10 minutes. 10 minutes. If I have to calculate in second, then 10 into 60, that equal to 600 second. Okay, with a current we are passing a current of 1.5 ampere, means I is equal to 1.5 ampere. What is the mass of Cu deposited? Very simple. Very simple means that I have to calculate the W. W is equal to ZIT. ZI and T. So if I am putting the value W is equal to Z, equivalent weight is equal to होता है atomic weight by n factor, और n factor इसी के लिए Cu plus 2 ना plus 2, atomic weight 63.5 divided by 2. So if I am putting the Z value of Z, 63.5 by 2 into 96500, this is the Z. The current is 1.5 ampere and time is 600 second. So by this way we can calculate the value of W, and the value of W comes is equal to 0.296 gram. So hope you got the first law of Faraday. First law of Faraday क्या होता है कि जितना इलेक्ट्रिसिटी उसके अंदर पास करते हैं उतना मास डिपॉजिटेड होता है, लेकिन हर एटम का वेट अलग होता है। एटम का वेट अलग होता है तो और उसके ऊपर चार्ज भी अलग होता है। फॉर एग्जांपल आई हैव टेकन द Ag पॉजिटिव एंड Cu डबल पॉजिटिव, तो टू इक्वलाइज दिस फैक्टर वी यूज द टर्म Z एंड Z इज इक्वल टू E/F. Thank you, and in the next slide we will discuss the second law of Faraday.